how to edit your video professionally. Even if you're a beginner, this video is for you. This video will guide you step by step on how to edit your video with the use of CapCut. CapCut is a very effective AI tool that will give you perfect steps in how to edit your video. So what I need from you is just your attention. Just pay attention from the beginning to the end of this video. And if you have a pen close by, draw it close by to you. If you have a jotter, bring it close by to you, because you need to jot out 1 or 2 points that will guide you even after this video, that you can use to edit your video, that will attract everyone to watch your video from the beginning to the end. So what I need from you is your attention. Just pay attention from the beginning to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumb. Thank you. So let's head into our class detailing. Okay, let's look at how to edit videos on your CapCut using CapCut. So you just click on CapCut and load it. So once you have this side display on your screen, so you click on new video. So once you click on new video, you allow it to open. So it will take you straight to your photo gallery or your video gallery, as the case may be. So make sure that the video you want to edit is already recorded and stored on your photo library. So just pick any video you want to work on and you click on add video. So automatically the video is added. So you want to add another video to this, just bring your cursor to the last edge of your listing, click on this plus sign to take you again to your photo video gallery or video library, and you click on the next picture you want to add and you click on add. How to add video. People don't like this black sign that appear here, so we can just split it out, click on delete, it is gone. So this is how to add. Okay, let's say you want to remove the background of this video. Make sure you highlight the video in which you want to remove the background. Just come down at your menu and click on remove BG. So once you click on remove BG, you click on auto remover, and you allow it to apply. So let's look at how to delete parts of the video in which you don't want, how to split your video, remove parts of the video in which you don't want them to appear. Okay, so let's say we don't want from where this guy is selling bread to appear on our video. So you make sure you put your cursor, this white line appear there. Then you come down to your menu and you click on split. So once you click on split, make sure that the part in which you don't want, we look at it is highlighted, is splitted the part in which you want. So the part in which you don't want, make sure that that is the part that is highlighted. So the part that is highlighted, just come and click on delete. Automatically that part goes away from your video. So let's play it now and see whether the guy selling bread still appear in our video. Things we do not really cut out that part which is selling bread, which we don't want to appear. So let's bring our cursor here, take it still here. Okay, let's place our cursor here, click on split and delete the part in which you don't want the guy selling bread to appear. So let's play it again to be sure. Okay,
now remove the parts in which we don't want the guy selling bread to appear. So that's how to split and delete part of a video that you don't want. Okay, let's say this sound is still here and we don't want this sign of CapCut to appear. So make sure you highlight it and you click on delete, and the sound too is still there. So you click on the sound, split it, the part in which you don't want, you click on delete. So let's play our video and see how it will end it. How to add background music to our video. So you come down on the menu option here, you click on audio. So once you click on audio, this is what will display. So you click on sound. So once you click on sound, it will take you to different sound. So just pick a soft sound. Let's say this soft piano, something that will play on the background and will make our video float very lovely when somebody is listening to it. So let's click on this motivation. So automatically it is now added to your video. So make sure that this sound is not as loud as what will affect your video. So you click on it, then you come to your volume and try to reduce it to like, keep it at 180. If your video is not loud enough, you just click on your video, then you go to volume and make sure that you raise your volume to click 2. So you click on volume and you raise it. Okay, so make sure that this sound is not longer than your video. So this our next this is how to split. So you bring your cursor here and you click on split. So the parts of the sound in which you don't want, because I don't want it to be longer than your video, so that it don't affect the float of your video, just click on delete. So that is how to add sound to your video. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Make sure you follow, like, and share. Add text. So once you click on add text, this is where it will take you this side to display. Where it is written enter text, you just click on it, and your keyboard, just wait patiently, your keyboard will pop up. Then you type your listing. Learn AI skill now. Learn. Make sure that your listing is always in capital letters so that the title will come out well. Learn AI skills now. Learn AI skills now. Okay, so this is how to add title to your video. From afar, I don't think somebody can see it clear, so let's make it more clearer. So you click on font size here. So once you click on font, you now pick the font in which you think it will be very bold when somebody just see it from afar. So let's work on this dance. Okay. So let's pick another one. I don't think that one is bold enough from afar to see. I don't want us to click on all these ones that have this so that it will not cost us anything at the end of the day. So let's see this. Okay, I think this one is more bold enough. So for us to make it more visible, now click on style. Let's pick a style. Let's pick this. Wow, then AI skills. Now I think this one is more better. So you drag it to wherever you want it to appear, mostly at the top of your video, and that is it. I think this is good to go now. So you click on this arrow sign. Wow, you have a perfect heading. Learn AI skill now. So let's say you record this video and there is no right of vignette it, because there are some people watching your video, they may be deaf and dumb, they're not able to listen to what you are saying, but they can read through. So for you to get that perfectly, you just come here, click on add text again. So once you click on add text of the record, just click on it So you come to your option beneath it. You look at where add text is, click on add text, then you click on add caption. So this site, the interface that will display on screen, so you just click on generate. So you allow it to generate it, you count from 100%, so you allow it to generate. So you just have to be patient a bit for it to generate. Okay, so now our right beneath it is generated. Can we see it? So let's make it more bolder so that we can see it very well, so that somebody can read and understand it very well. So you just click on it and you click on style again. So now let's give it, click on style. So let's give it this green color so that it can be readable. Okay, so let's make it more bolder so that somebody can easily read and get our message quickly. So let's work on this drawback again so that you click on this. Okay, I think now it is ready. So let's play our video and see. Okay, for somebody like that, read understand. So that's thank you. See you in our next class.
Do well to follow for more update. Share, like, and save. Please make sure you are following me.